Welcome to FavorFlowRestorative, where we unleash harmony, mind, body, and soul. Welcome to our Harvest series. This is a series of 7 visualization meditations to celebrate the Fall Equinox as a journey of gathering, gratitude, and release. So today's meditation is the 4th of this series. If you have not listened to the first 3, please feel free to go and listen to those before you listen to this one. This one is specifically about balancing the scales, how to find harmony during this equinox time. So we invite you to place one hand on your heart and another hand on your belly. Breathe into these spaces until you feel centered. Now visualize a large set of scales before you. One side represents your light, and the other side represents your shadow. Watch them shift gently until they find perfect balance. Be patient with yourself and be patient with the scales as they find balance. Feel free to pause this video and give it as much time as it deserves to find that harmony. Allow yourself to feel both parts of your being. Be honored. Whisper to yourself, I welcome balance in my body, mind, and spirit. Feel that harmony settle into your breath. And repeat after me these affirmations. I honor all parts of myself. I live in balance with the seasons. I honor all parts of myself. I live in balance with the seasons. I honor all parts of myself. I live in balance with the seasons. Now think to yourself, in all honesty, where do you feel out of balance right now? And what is it that you can do to restore harmony in your daily routine? May you harmonize.